More than 80% of drivers unknowingly make mistakes that slowly destroy their automatic cars. And the worst part? These habits feel completely normal. But what if I told you just one of these mistakes could lead to a $5,000 repair bill? Today, we're exposing 15 common driving mistakes that are secretly killing your automatic transmission. Make sure you watch till the end. The last one is the most dangerous. Mistake number 15. Shifting gears while moving. Switching from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling might seem harmless, but it's one of the fastest ways to damage your transmission. When you do this, internal parts are forced to instantly change direction, putting massive stress on gears and clutch packs. Over time, this leads to jerky shifting, delays, and eventually, total transmission failure. Always stop completely before changing gears. That 1 second can save you thousands. Mistake number 14. Misusing the AC recirculation. That small button with the circular arrow? Most drivers ignore it, and that's costing them money. Using fresh air mode on a hot day forces your AC to cool outside air constantly, making the compressor work much harder. This leads to faster wear and expensive repairs, but using recirculation all the time isn't good either. It traps moisture and causes foggy windows. Simple rule: hot weather equals recirculation. On cold or foggy conditions equals fresh air. Mistake number 13. Driving on low fuel. Running your tank near empty doesn't just risk getting stranded. Your fuel pump actually uses gasoline to stay cool. Low fuel equals overheating pump, plus dirt from the bottom of the tank entering the system. This can damage injectors and cost hundreds to fix. Keep your fuel above a quarter tank. Mistake number 12. Ignoring warning lights. The check engine light isn't decoration. It's your car telling you something is wrong, and ignoring it can turn small issues into massive repairs. A simple sensor problem today could become a destroyed engine tomorrow. Always scan the issue early. Mistake number 11. Not using the parking brake. Most automatic drivers skip the parking brake. Big mistake. Without it, your entire car weight rests on a tiny internal pin inside the transmission. Over time, this can break, leading to serious damage. Always use the parking brake, especially on slopes. Mistake number 10. Coasting in neutral. Some drivers think shifting to neutral downhill saves fuel. It doesn't. Modern cars already cut fuel when coasting in gear. Neutral equals less control, plus more brake wear, plus unnecessary transmission stress. Stay in gear. Mistake number 9. Revving a cold engine. Starting your car and immediately pressing the gas hard. That's pure engine damage. Cold oil hasn't circulated yet, meaning metal parts are grinding without proper lubrication. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Then drive gently. Mistake number 8. Using drive mode on hills. Driving downhill in D and riding the brakes overheats both brakes and transmission. Your car has lower gears for a reason. Use L, 2, or S mode for better control and less stress. Mistake number 7. Driving through deep water. Water entering your transmission is a disaster. Once it mixes with fluid, it destroys internal components fast. And no, draining it won't fix the damage. Avoid deep water completely. Mistake number 6. Skipping oil changes. Old or dirty oil loses its ability to protect your engine. That leads to overheating, friction, and internal damage. A small delay in oil change can turn into a full engine replacement. Change oil regularly. Mistake number 5. Ignoring transmission fluid. Transmission fluid breaks down over time, even if manufacturers say it's lifetime. Dirty fluid equals heat, friction, and internal wear. Replace it every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Mistake number 4. Staying in drive at stoplights. When your car is in drive, the transmission is still under load, even when stopped. This creates heat, which is the biggest enemy of transmissions. Shift to neutral during long stops. Mistake number 3. Overfilling engine oil. More oil does not mean better protection. Too much oil creates foam, reducing lubrication and damaging internal parts. Always stick to the correct level. Mistake number 2. Warming up the car wrong. Letting your car idle for 10 minutes isn't helping. Modern cars warm up faster when driven gently. Start. Wait 30 seconds, then drive slowly. Mistake number 1. Not warming up the transmission. Cold transmission fluid is thick and slow. Driving aggressively right after startup causes serious wear. Drive gently for the first few minutes. Those cars don't fail suddenly. They fail because of small daily habits. Fix these mistakes, and you can add years to your car's life and save thousands in repairs. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe. Your car and your wallet will thank you.